This is the Haloview Bite Tango system, the BT7 solar. And I don't think it's going to take me long to install this at all. And one thing that's nice, the previous camera system they sent us was the 6-inch screen. This is going to be the 7-inch screen, so I will replace the screen inside the RV with this one. I'll have to repair up the cameras that we installed a few weeks ago to this new monitor. But that should be easy enough. Go ahead and open up the box here and see everything that comes in here. Okay, so we got the new monitor, bigger monitor. That's nice. These are going to be the mounts. This is going to be the mount for the camera. And this will be the mount for the solar. We got antennas. We got new suction mounts and everything for monitor unit inside the RV, which probably can use the one I'm already using. We got some instructions. Here is the camera. It's got a little weight to it. It's a little beefy because, you know, there is a battery built into this. And it looks like it's already 100% charged right now. And then we have the solar panel. And then we have the usual stuff. This is a plug-in to charge the camera if you say just wanted to charge it and not put the solar panel on. Charge it up when it dies. Some more cabling. And then you got your 2 different plug-ins for the monitor inside the RV. And these are the adhesion promoter. Everything you need to basically get up there, clean and prep that area to mount these on top of your RV.